Welcome. If you want to use one-hand mode in your Samsung Galaxy A41, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down and enter advanced features. Let's scroll down once again, tap on the one-handed mode. With this switcher we can activate this mode, and we have to select how we want to enter this mode. So I'm gonna switch to the button, and when we double tap the home button we are going to enter one-hand mode. And as you can see, this time it works. If you want to move it on the left side, you have to use this arrow right here, and if you want to exit, just click on this arena outside. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.